Hi, thank you for joining us. StartingPoint is a service management and delivery platform for companies and teams. Today, we're going to review the Team Performance Management module of StartingPoint. Let's log in, and we're going to log in as your company's employee or team member. As we log into the interface, we're going to see several different options. We'll see all the options to the left, and we're going to focus on performance. Performance is key for any company or team. Performance is what drives success for a company and drives completion of specific tasks. What we'll do is we'll review the Goals tab. The Goals tab allows any employee or team member the ability to see their progress against their measurable goals that they've been assigned for the month, the quarter, the year, or even the day or the week. What we'll do here is we'll have the ability to actually create goals. So we'll create a goal here, and we'll say sell 100,000 in services this year. Simple goal, and we'll save this goal. Once we save this goal is now set successfully. Now what we'll do is we'll add a comment to the goal. So we'll say, sold Acme Company $10,000 services deal. You have the ability to drop a file here, and that file will go to the file library. And what we'll do is we'll save the change. Now with saving the change, the goal is now set successfully, and they've reached 10,000. So now we'll modify the goal progress to 10,000, and you'll see that the note is completed here with the date and time. Now we'll hide these comments. Now for this, what we'll do is we'll also show you the checklist tab. And the checklist tab is designed for employees to be able to track items that need to be completed. The checklist tab is also something to where the owner of the business, the administrator, the manager, the director, the CEO can then assign tasks to his team through the admin panel for the team member or the employee. So we'll create a checklist here. We'll say employee number 1, task list. First one we'll create is task 1. We'll create task 2. And we'll create task 3. Now each task could have additional comments to them. So they can say, please follow up by noon, complete task by week's end. Or you could also say, refund money to Acme Company. Okay. Then you have the ability to attach files if you like. And now we'll hit save. And once we hit save, now all of the checklist items are now added to the list. So as checklist items get completed, you can hit save or complete, and you can hit save. And now that checklist is saved. Your manager, your director, your CEO will now see all of the items, and you have now a checklist or notes section that will allow you to track what needs to be completed on a day-to-day basis. And that concludes the team performance management function of StartingPoint. Thank you.